I would like to quickly show how I create these mortises in the tapered leg here for a desk. I'm using 1/4 inch mortises. In this case, there are 5 mortises, 1/4 inch wide and 5/8 inch deep. And the first thing I do is to drill at the opposite ends of each of these mortises. I drill the hole at the 2 ends, and then I come back in later and drill in the middle section. The reason I do the borders first is to make sure that I don't go beyond the location of the mortise. So let's start the process here.